Hello all, we are talking today about the Morpho Manager software. Sometimes you find itself freezing. Let's get in the problem itself. So opening Morpho Manager, you'll find administrator, and when you click the biometric devices, as we can see here, we see that all devices here in the right corner, we will see that there is no interaction between the Morpho devices and the software. So even if I will try to rebuild or retask, it will not respond, as we can see. So I have to make a restart for the server for the Morpho. As you can see here, no response for anything. So I have to check the service, Morpho service here, task manager, and let us see. Yes, it's here running. Running. So I will try to stop it and restart it. If the service is refused to be restarted, so I have stopping. If it will take more time, so I have to make a restart for the entire PC. Like we see here, there is no response for the Morpho Manager. So the easiest way is to make a restart for the PC itself. Let us start the PC. Okay, power restart. So when I log in again to the PC, we will have to check the service, Morpho Manager service. Is it okay, or it should be started manually? Let us check. Okay, it's running now, so it's okay. So I'll get in the Morpho Manager software again and check if the freeze is gone or not. Biometric devices, I'll try to maximize and zoom at the important zone I want here. Yes. So we can see here in the right that some of devices are interacting already, but I will make manually interacting like this. Yes. So reinitialize every field, so it responds with me. So the freeze is take off now all the devices. Retry, it's okay. The next one, retry all, it's okay, and so on. If some of them is not, after trying, is getting on, so I think the device Morpho need to be initialized itself. So as we say, I will make the rest of the Morpho, so it's okay, as we can see now. So the freeze is gone, and this is the simplest way to deal with the freeze of the Morpho Manager, that it's sometimes anything under Windows can freeze. Thank you and goodbye.